Chapter 8. Introduction to Programming. Computer languages. Some special languages are required to communicate with the computer, known as computer languages or programming languages. Instructions, through a computer language, are transmitted to the computer to perform a task. We use computer languages to write computer programs. A programming language is a set of instructions that makes a computer program. The process of writing a program is known as programming, and the people who write the program are known as programmers. Computer languages are classified into two major categories. Computer languages. Low-level language. Machine language, 1GL. Assembly language, 2GL. High-level language. Third-generation language, 3GL. Fourth-generation language, 4GL. Natural language, 5GL. Low-level language, LLL. A programming language that is machine-dependent is known as low-level language. A program that is written in machine-dependent language only works on a single type of computer. Low-level languages are further categorized into machine language. This is the language which is only understood by the computer. It is also known as the first-generation language, 1GL. Machine language is difficult to use as it is only formed of two digits 0 and 1, known as the binary digits or bits. The off state is represented by 0 bit and the on state is represented by 1 bit. Assembly language. It is also known as second-generation language, 2GL. In assembly language, the codes are written in the form of alphanumeric symbols known as mnemonics instead of binary digits. Abbreviations such as A, addition, M, multiply, L, load, C, compare, can be used by the programmer, and due to this feature, assembly language can also be referred to as symbolic language. High-level language, HLL. A programming language that allows the programmer to write machine-independent programs is known as high-level language. These types of languages are closer to human languages. High-level languages are much easier to read, write, and maintain as compared to low-level languages. These are further categorized into third-generation languages, 3GL. In this language, a programmer writes a series of English-like words that instruct the computer to perform a task and how to perform it. Many 3GLs use arithmetic operators such as asterisk for multiplication and plus for addition. Examples of some early procedural 3GL are BASIC, Pascal, C and Fortran. Advanced object-oriented 3GL are C++, Java, and C#. Fourth-generation languages, 4GL. In this language, a programmer writes English-like statements to instruct the computer on what to accomplish but does not specify how to do it. A 4GL requires less time and effort from the programmer. Examples of 4GL are SQL, Perl, Python, etc. Natural languages, 5GL. These programming languages have visual tools to develop a program. Examples are Mercury, OPS5, and Prolog. Natural languages are very easy to use and are often related to the expert system and artificial intelligence. Language Translator. A software that converts a high-level programming language into a machine language is known as language translator. There are three types of language translators. Assembler. An assembler is a program that translates assembly language into machine language so that the computer can understand it. It enables the computer to convert the assembly language instructions into machine code, i.e., zeros and ones. Compiler. A compiler is a software that is used to convert the entire source program into machine language before execution. It converts the high-level language program into machine language instantly. It displays the errors for the whole program together. Interpreter. An interpreter is also a program that is used to convert the entire source program into machine language before execution, but it converts and executes one statement at a time. It displays the errors per line and then goes to the next line only after the error has been corrected. Python. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language. It was developed by Guido van Rossum. He started the usage of Python in 1989. Python is used to develop games, websites, graphical user interface, GUI, programs, web applications, etc. Features of Python. Easy to code. It is much easier to write programs in Python than any other high-level programming language. The codes in Python are very similar to the English language. Open source language. Python is a free language. Open source programming languages can be easily improved and distributed by anyone. It can be downloaded for free and can be used on any operating system such as Windows, Mac or Linux. Object-oriented. Programs in Python use the object-oriented approach, which means that they are designed by using objects and classes that interact with each other. Integrated and extensible language. Python can be easily incorporated with other languages such as C, C++. A Python code can be written and compiled in C or C++. Interpreted language. The codes that are created in Python are executed line by line, which enables us to correct any errors. The Python code is converted into an intermediate form immediately after execution. It is also known as the bytecode, which makes it easy to execute the code in future. Dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language, which makes it so that we do not need to declare the variables in advance. For example, if we write a is equal to 30, we do not need to specify the variable a as an integer or string. Installing Python. Follow these steps to install Python. Step 1. Open the website www.python.org. Step 2. Go to Downloads options and click on the Download Python 3.11.0 button. Step 3. Double-click on the downloaded software. Step 4. Click on the Run button. The Python setup window will appear. Step 5. Select the Add Python 3.11.0 to Path checkbox. Step 6. Click on Install Now button. Python will be installed on your computer. Programming in Python. There are two programming modes in Python. Working in interactive mode. Interactive mode in Python is a command line shell that provides immediate result for each command. We can type one command at a time in this mode. Python then executes the command and gives the output. Follow the given steps work in interactive mode. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll down and click on the Python 3.11.0 folder. Step 3. Click on Idle, Python 3.11.0 64-bit. The main window will appear. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It is code editor in which can write and edit codes. Components of the Python window. There are two components of the Python idle window. Menu bar. it is similar to the menu bar of other programs. It contains other menus such as File, Edit, Shell, Debug, Options, Window and Help. Prompt, there is a blinking cursor after the symbol in the window. It is known as prompt, which allows the user to enter commands directly into Python and get an output instantly by pressing the Enter key. Working in script mode. In the interactive mode, the commands entered by the user cannot be saved in the form of a program. We can save the commands in the form of program in the script mode. Let us understand the process of working in the script mode. A. Creating a new file. Step 1. Open the Python idle window. Step 2. Click on the File menu. Step 3. Click on the New File option. A new editor window with a blank space will appear on the screen. B. Writing a program. Type the program code in Python window. C. Saving a Python program. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Select the Save option. The Save As dialog box will appear. Step 3. Select the desired location to save the file. Step 4. Enter the name of the file in the File Name box. Step 5. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved at the selected location. D. Running a Python program. Step 1. Click on Run from the menu bar. Step 2. Select the Run module option. Input and output. The two commonly used functions in Python are input and print. The input function. The input function reads the user's input when a program executes. The syntax of the input function is input, prompt. Prompt is the string or the message that will be displayed on the screen. The print function. The print function sends the output to the output device, which is generally the monitor. Items are auto-converted into strings by using this function. It also adds spaces between items automatically. The syntax of the print function is print expression 1, expression 2. Variables in Python. Variables are memory reference points in which we store values to access or change them later. The names of the variables are called identifiers. We do not need to specify the type of variable in Python because it is a dynamically typed language and it identifies the type of the variable automatically. Example, num is equal to 4. Price is equal to 20.755. Total is equal to round, price asterisk num 2. Print, total. Declaring and initializing a variable. In Python, we declare and initialize the variable at the same time in the following way. A is equal to 5. B is equal to 10. Print, A is equal to A. Print, B is equal to B. The output screen will display the result as A is equal to 5. B is equal to 10. We can also assign the same value to multiple variables. A is equal to B is equal to 30. Print, A is equal to A. Print, B is equal to B. The output screen will display the result as A is equal to 30. B is equal to 30. We can also assign multiple values to multiple variables in the same line. Name, age, grade is equal to Kabir, 22,6. Print, name is name. Print, age is age. Print, grade is grade. The output screen will display the result as name is Kabir, age is 22, grade is 6. Rules for creating and naming the variables. It must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. Variables are case sensitive. They cannot contain any special character or a symbol. Data types. A data type specifies the type of value that is contained in a variable. For example, a name is stored as a string value but the age is stored as an integer value. The data types in Python are int, positive or negative whole number, without any fractions, example a is equal to 1. Float, real number in which the fraction is denoted by a decimal symbol, example a is equal to 1.5. String, a string value is a collection of one or more characters inside single or double quotes, example a is equal to welcome. Comments in Python. We use comments in Python to explain the parts of the code. Comments enable us to understand the way in which a program works. Any statement that starts with hash symbol in Python is known as a comment. The comments are not executed in Python. There are two types of comments in Python. Single-line comment. When a user wants to specify a single-line comment, then the comment must start with the hash symbol. Example, program, output, hash printing a string print, hello, hello. Multiply comment. There is no syntax for multiple comments in Python. We can insert the hash symbol for each line to add multiple comments. Example, program, output, hash printing a string hash print 5 fruits print, apple, apple, print, mango, mango, print, pineapple, pineapple, print, strawberry, strawberry, print, blueberry, blueberry. Operators. In Python, the special symbols which perform arithmetic and logical computations are known as operators. The values which are used by the operators to get the output are called operands. For example, in the expression 4 plus 2, 4 and 2 are the operands, plus sign is the operator. Arithmetic operators. Operator. Description. Plus, addition. It is used to add two operands. Subtraction. It is used to subtract the second operand from the first operand. If the first operand is less than the second operand, the value results negative. Division. It returns the quotient after dividing the first operand by the second operand. For example, if A is equal to 20, B is equal to 10, then AB is equal to 2.0. Asterisk, multiplication. It is used to multiply one operand with the other. Percent, modulus. It returns the remainder after dividing the first operand by the second operand. Asterisk, exponent. It is an exponent operator that calculates the first operand power to the second operand. Floor division. It gives the floor value of the quotient produced by dividing the two operands. Code. Output. Assignment operators. Operator. Description. Is equal to assignment. It assigns the value of the right expression to the left operand. Plus is equal to addition assignment. It increases the value of the left operand by the value of the right operand and assigns the modified value back to left operand. Is equal to subtraction assignment. It decreases the value of the left operand by the value of the right operand and assigns the modified value back to left operand. Asterisk is equal to multiplication assignment. It multiplies the value of the left operand by the value of the right operand and assigns the modified value back to then the left operand. Percent is equal to modulus assignment. It divides the value of the left operand by the value of the right operand and assigns the remainder back to the left operand. Asterisk is equal to exponentiation assignment. It performs exponential calculation on operators and assigns the value to the left operand. Is equal to floor division assignment. It performs floor division on operators and assigns the value to the left operand. Code. Output. Logical operators. Operator. Description. And. If both expressions are true, then the result will be true. If A and B are the two expressions, A true, B true is equal to A and B true. Or, if one of the expressions is true, then the result will be true. If A and B are the two expressions, A true, B false is equal to or B true. Not. If an expression is true, then not A will be false and vice versa. Code. Output. Relational operators. Operator. Description. Is equal to. Returns true if X and Y have same value, else returns false. Greater than. Returns true if value of X is greater than value of Y, else returns false. Less than. Returns true if value of X is less than value of Y, else returns false. Is equal to not equal to. Returns true if X and Y do not have same value, else returns false. Is equal to greater than or equal to. Returns true if value of X is greater than or equal to value of Y, else returns false. Equivalent to. XY or X is equal to Y. Less than is equal to less than or equal to. Returns true if value of X is less than or equal to value of Y, else returns false. Equivalent to. XY or X is equal to Y. Code. Output. Precedence of operators. The order in which the operators are executed is determined by the precedence of operators. In the table given below, the highest precedence is at the top. Operator. Name. Parenthesis. Exponent. Multiplications, division, modulus, floor division. Addition, subtraction. Comparison. Assignment. Logical.